Hello everyone, I'm Henry. In this video, we are going to learn about what is Node Package Manager. In the previous video, we have understood what are the different tools needed for us to begin with JavaScript development. And also we have learned about Node.js and how to install it. So if you have already installed Node.js, then you would have already installed npm as well, because npm installs with Node.js. So if you want to check the version of npm in your laptop, you can say npm-v. It will give you the version of the npm which is installed in your laptop. What is npm? Npm is a package manager for JavaScript. It's like a central database which holds different open source and private packages available. So developers who wants to install some third-party packages can go to the database and they can download it from there. For example, let's go to npmjs.com. You see here, there is a search package thing here. So you can search for any package here. So I have searched for a package which was created by me. So this package can be installed using this command in your command prompt. So this is all about npm.js. So it is like an online database which holds different packages. Whatever the package which you want to install, you can install it using this. For example, you can search for Babel. So it will pull up the Babel code and you can install it. Back to how to install a npm package. As I have already shown you, you have to install it using npm install your package name. Your package name may be anything. So for example, in our case, rc-here-maps can be a package name. So npm install rc-here-maps, it will install the package for you. And if you want to list the package, what are the packages you have installed, you can say npm list. It will give you all the list of packages which you have installed in your project folder. Now it's time to initialize a new project with npm. So in this video, we'll be creating a new project setup with npm, and we'll be using that as a stub for our upcoming videos. First, we have to know about npm init. Npm init is a command which is useful to create a project in npm. So it will ask for some details like what is the name of the project, what is the author name, what is the license you want to use, all those things. So you have to give it in your command prompt, and once you give, the project will be created. Let's create a project now. First, I'm going to open a command prompt, and then I'm going to go to a particular folder in command prompt. I'm going to create a folder here called stub. Let's go inside the stub folder. Now let's say npm init. It asked for package name. So I'm saying basic setup. Version is 1. So the default value is 1.0.0. Let it be like that. Enter. Description. This is a basic setup for my YouTube tutorial. Entry point is, let's say, source/index.js. Test command. We are not going to write any test cases. Git repository, let it be blank for now. Keywords is also blank. So keywords will give you an ability to search for your package in the npmjs.com. So there's no keyword as of now. Author, let me give my name. Henry Martin. Licenses, MIT. That's it. So now it is saying that I have created this package.json with these values. I'm okay with these values. So I'm saying yes. That's it. So we have created a initial setup with npm.js. This is not just, it will just create you a package.json. Now we have to add more dependencies into package.json. let's see the packages on that folder in VS Code. Okay, so I have opened the VS Code now. Let's open that folder. I have opened the folder now. So that folder is having one package JSON which holds all the values which we have given in that terminal. So it holds basic setup and the version and the description which we have provided, the main file where the path of the main file, and the scripts commands, what all the commands you can give. You can add more commands here, and then who is the author of this package and the license of the package. Okay, now for a sample, what I'm going to do is I'm going to install a package called Babel CLI. CLI is command line tool interface. Okay, so this gives us an ability to play with Babel in command line. Okay, so let's install npm install @babel /CLI -save. So there are two commands in npm. One is npm install package name -save -dev. Another command is npm install package name -save. So when you do -save -dev, let's do it. I'm clicking enter. So I entered now. It's trying to download the package from the npm online database. It is installed now. Let's go back to our this thing. So here if you see, I gave -save -dev. So the package is installed under dev dependencies. Okay, so there is another dependency called just dependencies. If you say -save, it will be installed in dependencies. So these differences we'll learn about it when we try to bundle things in Webpack, because the bundling will differ based on the dev dependencies and dependencies. As of now, just have an idea that npm install -save will install your dependencies as a normal dependency, and npm install package name -save -dev will install your package in dev dependencies. Okay, so now I have installed it as a dev dependencies because this package is not needed for me in my actual project. This is just for the development process, because I just want to transpile it from ES6 to ES5 before executing the JavaScript code in process. That's why I don't want this inside the dependencies. I just want it in dev dependencies, just for the development process. Okay, so how do you understand the package is properly installed? So first of all, you can figure it out here. It says that Babel has installed with 7.1.5 version, and number of packages added is 221 packages, right? Now you can also see here a new folder called node-_module is created. So if you see here, there are a lot of packages which are installed here. So let's look for our package, which is @Babel CLI. So here if you see, @Babel is installed inside that CLI folder is installed. So this means that our dependency is installed locally in our in our project. So you can also install dependency globally. How to install dependency globally? Let's see that here. So if you see, npm install package name will just install your package in local, but if you say npm install package name -g will install your package globally. So some scenarios you might have to install package globally in order to make that package available across different folders. So that case you can use that -g prefix suffix to install a package. That's it. So if you have installed it globally, then you can based on your OS here, there will be a folder created like user/local/lib/node_modules. That's where all your packages will be there, and also you can also list out the dependencies which are installed globally, like npm list -g. This will give you all the list of dependencies which are installed globally. Okay, now we have installed the package locally, right? So let's do npm list in our folder and figure it out what are all the packages which we have installed. Okay, let me go to terminal. Okay, so let's say npm list. See here it has given the list of packages which are installed locally in our folder. So this give you an understand. So we have installed @Babel CLI, right? So this is right available, right there available. Uh, I think that's it. Right now you have a fair understanding of what is Node Package Manager and how to install a package in Node Package Manager, right? So in the upcoming videos, we'll be installing more packages like this, and we'll be start coding in JavaScript. The next tutorial we'll be learning about Babel and how to transfer it in Babel, and what are the extra packages needed to do things in Babel. Thanks a lot for watching these videos, guys. If you want to share some feedback on my tutorial, you can please comment it in the comment section. And if you want to ask any doubts, you can obviously ask in the comment section. I'll reply it right away. And if you really like this video, you can give a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon in order to get the notification for yourself whenever I'm adding a new video. See you guys. Bye.